Divorce can be an emotionally and financially challenging experience. Rebuilding financially after a divorce requires careful planning, strategic decision-making, and resilience. In today's video, we'll explore the common financial challenges divorcees face and provide practical tips for rebuilding your financial life. Whether you're recently divorced or have been navigating post-divorce finances for a while, these insights will help you regain financial stability and build a secure future. Understanding financial challenges for divorcees. 1. Dividing assets. Equitable distribution, splitting assets fairly between both parties, can be complex and contentious. Liquidation of assets, selling assets to divide their value, can result in financial losses. Debt allocation, deciding who is responsible for joint debts, can impact your financial stability. 2. Adjusting to a single income. Reduced income, going from a dual-income household to a single income, can significantly reduce your financial resources. Budgeting, adjusting your budget to align with your new financial reality, can be challenging. 3. Legal and court fees. Legal costs, hiring attorneys, and other legal fees can add up quickly. Court fees, court proceedings, and settlements can be expensive and drain your finances. 4. Housing changes. Relocation costs, moving to a new home or location, can be costly. Mortgage and rent, taking over mortgage or rent payments on a single income, can strain your budget. 5. Child support and alimony. Payment responsibilities, paying or receiving child support and alimony, can impact your financial situation. Financial planning, planning for ongoing financial obligations, requires careful budgeting and foresight. 6. Emotional stress. Financial decisions. Emotional stress can affect your ability to make sound financial decisions. Mental health costs. Therapy and counseling for yourself and your children can add to your expenses. Strategies for rebuilding financially. 1. Assess your financial situation. Inventory assets and debts. List all your assets, liabilities, income sources, and expenses to get a clear financial picture. Update financial documents. Update your financial documents, including bank accounts, insurance policies, and estate plans. 2. Create a new budget. Track income and expenses. Regularly track all sources of income and categorize expenses to understand your financial situation. Prioritize essentials. Prioritize essential expenses such as housing, utilities, groceries, and childcare. Adjust as needed. Adjust your budget as your financial situation changes, ensuring it remains realistic and achievable. 3. Build an emergency fund. Savings goal. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected costs. Automatic transfers. Set up automatic transfers to your emergency fund to ensure consistent savings. Accessible account. Keep your emergency fund in an easily accessible account to cover emergencies. 4. Manage debts wisely. Debt repayment plan. Create a plan to pay off debts systematically, focusing on high-interest debts first. Consolidate debts. Consider consolidating debts to secure lower interest rates and simplify repayments. Negotiate terms. Negotiate with creditors for better terms or settlements to reduce your debt burden. 5. Maximize income. Side gigs. Consider taking on side gigs or freelance work to supplement your primary income. Career advancement. Invest in education or training to enhance your skills and increase your earning potential. Government assistance. Explore government assistance programs for divorcees, such as housing subsidies and food assistance. 6. Plan for the future. Retirement savings. Continue contributing to retirement accounts to secure your financial future. Education savings. If you have children, start or continue saving for their education through accounts like a 529 plan. Insurance coverage. Ensure you have adequate health, life, and disability insurance to protect your family's future. Practical tips for financial stability. 1. Use financial tools. Budgeting apps. Use budgeting apps to track expenses, set savings goals, and manage your budget effectively. Expense trackers keep track of all expenses to identify areas for cost cutting and improvement. Financial literacy resources educate yourself about personal finance through books, online courses, and financial workshops. 2. Network with other divorcees. Support groups join support groups or online communities for divorcees to share experiences and financial tips. Peer support connect with other divorcees for advice and support on managing finances and rebuilding your life. Mentorship seek mentorship from individuals who have successfully navigated post-divorce finances. 3. Maintain flexibility. Adaptability be prepared to adapt your financial plans as circumstances change. Emergency planning have contingency plans in place for unexpected financial challenges. Regular reviews regularly review and adjust your budget and financial goals to stay on track. 4. Seek professional advice. Financial advisors consider working with a financial advisor to develop and execute a comprehensive financial plan. Legal assistance seek legal assistance for issues related to child support, alimony, and asset division. Counseling services access counseling services to manage stress and maintain emotional well-being. Building a secure financial future. 1. Focus on long-term goals. Set goals. Establish clear long-term financial goals for yourself and your family. Regular reviews regularly review and adjust your financial plans to stay on track with your goals. Invest in growth. Reinvest in your education and career development to improve your earning potential. 2. Plan for unexpected events. Emergency fund. Maintain a robust emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Insurance coverage. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage to protect your family. Legal preparedness. Have legal documents in place, such as a will and power of attorney, to safeguard your family's future. 3. Educate your children. Financial literacy. Teach your children about financial literacy and the importance of saving and budgeting. Involve your children in age-appropriate financial decisions to build their understanding and responsibility. Lead by example. Demonstrate good financial habits to set a positive example for your children. Today, we explored the common financial challenges divorcees face, including dividing assets, adjusting to a single income, legal and court fees, housing changes, child support and alimony, and emotional stress. We also provided strategies to help you rebuild financially after a divorce, such as assessing your financial situation, creating a new budget, building an emergency fund, managing debts wisely, maximizing income, and planning for the future. Remember, rebuilding financially after a divorce requires discipline, strategic planning, and continuous learning. By implementing these strategies and staying informed, you can achieve financial stability and provide a secure future for yourself and your children. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on managing finances after a divorce. Share this video with other divorcees who might benefit from these insights.